Hey everybody, it's Casey and Hank. We are, I'm not really sure where we are. We're in Ohio, kind of north central. I'm not, this was an accident. I was on my way to Columbus to see my sister, and I saw this really nice bike trail go across the road. I was like, oh wow. And, when I see them, I'll stop if I can and ride some of them. And so here we are. We finally tracked down a place where, we could park and drop off, Everything else was just country road. I was like, oh, perfect. And so we found this trail, and, of course, I can't remember the dang name of it. I want to say it's in Huron County or something like that. But yeah, by all appearances, it does seem to be a rail trail. And it looks like it's been somewhat recently redone, because there's a lot of, here, let me turn it around. There's a lot of, cut trees and stumps and such. So it looks like sometime recently, within not too many years, it's had some attention paid to it. It's so far quite nice. Got a couple little humps in it, and I think it's long, because I just saw a 13-mile marker. So I'll have to look this up, and I'll be sure somewhere where I'm rambling along anyhow. I will post the name of this particular trail, or definitely a rail trail. It's got the bed, the whole 9 yards. So yeah, yeah, and enjoy the ride. Or we can watch Hank run along. Hank actually really enjoys these runs. I mean, a couple of times we've come across some rabbit areas, and yeah, he enjoyed himself there. There was no harm done to the wildlife. He was just getting his wind sprints in. But Hank the Tank, he's all about the trail runs and checking out new territories and stuff like that. You better believe it. That nose is on the ground. You never know when you might find the next great thing laying right there on the ground. So it's a nice little break. Came back just in time and everything's cooled off. Fall is definitely here. Apparently it's been super dry in northwest Ohio, although I have seen evidence of recent rain. It must have been those storms that came through yesterday. But yeah, things are pretty dry. And seems to be a lot of stuff on the ground already for first week of October. A friend of mine thinks I should do some stealth video, how-tos, what fors, what to look for, and I don't know, what do you think? I certainly, I don't know. Well, I came across one that would have been, pretty ideal. The only drag was, it was indeed, it's private property, but hey, how you doing?
Good, you?
Good, good. Huh?
I like your bike.
Thanks, man. All right, Hank. Let's act like we got somewhere to be. So anyhow, we'll catch you next time. Peace.